Safety first. Protecting your head on-site is crucial. Here's how to comply with South African regulations for construction hard hats. Provide suitable hard hats. Employers must provide hard hats to protect workers from falling objects. Ensure hard hats are in good condition and fit properly. Use SENS-compliant helmets. Helmets must meet SENS 1397:2003 standards for safety. Only use helmets that meet South African safety standards for impact resistance. Designate hard hat areas. Mark hazardous areas with clear signage. Identify risk areas on-site and enforce hard hat usage with visible signs. Inspect and maintain helmets. Regularly inspect helmets for damage. Check helmets frequently and replace any that are damaged or have sustained impacts. Train employees on safety. Train workers on proper helmet use and care. Educate workers on why and how to wear hard hats correctly. Stay safe. Stay compliant. Contact us for all your PPE needs.